Best practices for cost optimization and performance in VMware Cloud. As enterprises expand their cloud infrastructure, balancing cost efficiency and performance becomes critical for maximizing cloud investments while ensuring optimal workload execution. VMware Cloud provides organizations with scalability, flexibility, and automation, but without proper cost governance, businesses may experience unnecessary cloud spending, underutilized resources, and performance bottlenecks. By implementing strategic cost optimization and performance best practices, enterprises can reduce expenses, improve efficiency, and enhance workload performance across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. One of the most effective ways to optimize VMware Cloud costs is through right-sizing virtual machines, VMs, and resources to match actual workload demands. Organizations should analyze VM utilization using VMware Aria Operations to identify underutilized instances and scale down resources accordingly. Implementing elastic scaling policies ensures automatic provisioning or decommissioning of VMs based on workload spikes or idle periods. Thin provisioning dynamically allocates storage, ensuring efficient disk usage without over-provisioning. Cost governance ensures that cloud spending remains predictable and controlled. Enterprises should set up VMware Cloud cost policies to monitor and alert on cost overruns. VMware Aria Automation can enforce policy-driven resource allocation, preventing excessive cloud provisioning. Using reserved or committed instances for predictable workloads can also lower long-term cloud expenses. For businesses operating across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, leveraging multi-cloud cost optimization strategies is essential. VMware Cloud Universal offers flexible consumption models to avoid vendor lock-in. Comparing cloud pricing and performance helps deploy workloads in the most cost-effective regions. Hybrid cloud strategies allow mission-critical workloads to run on-premises while bursting to the cloud during peak demand. Enhancing performance with intelligent workload placement is crucial. AI-driven tools in VMware Aria Operations automatically allocate workloads based on cost, performance, and compliance factors. Optimizing network traffic with NSX-T reduces latency and improves cloud application response times. Using vSphere Distributed Resource Scheduler balances compute resources across cloud instances for optimal performance. Disaster recovery and backup strategies can minimize data loss while controlling costs. VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery enables on-demand failover, offering low-cost DR solutions without running standby instances. Snapshot-based backups reduce storage costs while maintaining recovery capabilities. Tiering storage between hot, warm, and cold options helps store data at the most cost-effective level. Continuous performance and cost monitoring ensure ongoing optimization. Organizations should use VMware Aria Operations for real-time performance analytics and cost tracking. Regular audits can help eliminate redundant or unused VMs. Leveraging AI-driven predictive analytics allows businesses to forecast future resource demands and avoid cloud overspending. By implementing right-sizing, automation, workload placement, cost policies, and efficient disaster recovery, enterprises can reduce VMware Cloud costs while maintaining peak performance. With VMware Aria Operations, NSX-T, and VMware Cloud Universal, businesses can continuously optimize workloads, minimize unnecessary spending, and ensure high availability across multi-cloud environments. Let's continue.